Source since 1973.
Hey, we are back. Scott Kelby here with Mimo Meidany, and you know what it's time for? It's time for a Lightroom tip. Today's tip is brought to you by Le Mimo.
Le Mimo is here. I'm just going to be short and sweet here. You guys are all familiar with the linear gradient filter in the Lightroom. So I'm just going to tell you that when I use the linear gradients, I'm not just using one from the above the frame to the bottom or reverse. I'll use multiple of them. So here I'm just going to show you an example. From above, I use 3 layers here, and in the bottom I use 2, and also I can use them on the side as well. So they're not just for use to close the frame from up to the bottom, it's actually for side as well. And the other thing is when you add multiple of them, is make it easier to adjust. So you can adjust different layers, and it make your photo a lot more interesting because you have a better control on that linear gradients.
Holy cow, I don't think I've ever used that many gradients in anything I've ever done.
Yeah.
And let me here, if you can bear with me. This is before using them, and here just pop them in.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's a good look of Mimo style right there. I would look at that and go, oh, you did that all Mimo style. Yep. Very nice. Is that Venice?
Yes, it is.
Didn't you used to live there?
Yes, I used to.
Didn't I meet you there? Okay.
Thought it was